Hey guys, Drew Mead from MarineMax at Baldridge Marina on Lake Lanier. I'm sitting on a 2026 Boston Whaler 13 Super Sport. This boat is so much fun. I thoroughly enjoy driving it. It's like a little go-kart on the water, but it can handle more rough seas than you might think for a 13 Super Sport. So over my shoulder here, I want to just point out some of the cool features that Boston Whaler builds into this 13. First of all, it's powered with a 40 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke, obviously. 40 horsepower on a 13-foot boat is enough to make this thing absolutely rip. So when I'm out driving this boat, it is so much fun. 40 horse Merc. Right off on the port quarter is a telescoping 4-stair ladder. So swimming, pull it up to your favorite beach, getting in and out of the water, super simple with that 4-step ladder. The boat is pretty basic. However, Boston Whaler does offer quite a few options for the boat. So you can see I'm sitting on a bench seat right now that does have non-skid diamond pattern on it. So if you choose to use the boat for fishing, you can collapse this bimini top. I have it up right now for the video, but if you wanted to fish out of the boat, you can collapse the bimini top or take it off entirely and have a completely open platform for fishing. You can stand up on this seat. You can stand anywhere on the boat. The non-skid is everywhere on all of the horizontal surfaces. Whaler also offers a couple of different seat options for this boat. So you can get seats with a backrest on them that fold. There's a variety of different bench seat configurations. The boat is also able to have a cooler with a cooler cushion added to give you a second seat platform, and that would mount right here between the helm binnacle and the port gunnel. The boat also is equipped with these stainless steel grab rails, which is very handy in a 13-foot sporty boat like this. So she's tender, and it's nice to be able to have a handhold whenever you're moving around in the boat. Over here at the helm, it is equipped with a tachometer. So you have your RPM display right here. Very simple electrics on the boat. You have a 12-volt cigarette outlet style outlet. 2 switches, anchor light and navigation light. So that's your red and green. So the boat is just as simple as it can be. You have your throttle and shifter controls over here on the starboard side. Your ignition switch is built right in here, and the key kill switch clip right on your belt lanyard right here. So the boat is rated for 4 people or 474 pounds, whichever one. The helm dash also has a storage compartment. So this windshield is a storage tray, but then this whole lid will open, and then there's a rubber weather stripping seal inside of there, so you can put items you want to keep dry in there. The bow has room for an anchor locker, so that front hatch will open, and again, the boat can have a bow cushion added. So that's something we can order from Boston Whaler and have a bow cushion added. If you guys want to come see this boat, it's at Baldridge Marina on Lake Lanier. My name's Drew Mead, and I'll be happy to show it to you.